Hello, welcome to Living Outdoors installation site. We set up 15 meter span warehouse tent today. We made warehouse tent with bigger aluminum profile to consider the use safety. And our warehouse tent normally as outdoors permanent building. We usually meet different weather, so we improve our tent structure to increase 2 more purlins. You can see extra intermediate purlins fixed on the roof edge. If you keep material in high temperature area, we can also offer you electronic window with fans. Regularly fit them on both gable close, which can make air circulation inside and keep material dry. After the roof cover and sidewalls installed smoothly, the whole tent structure will be much stronger. The rain or snow won't be easy to rest onto the roof cover, and our each intermediate purlins with 2 chalk can hang on the lines for wash-off. We have provided many professional warehouse tent solutions as different clients demand. Living Outdoors with your trusted supplier. So much for today. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.